So this exercise that I'm gonna lead you through is something that in some way I do almost daily. For me, it's a check-in to see what parts are present, to listen to them, to come in a little relationship with them, and potentially also to ask them to create a little bit more space if they trust me enough so that I can be a little bit more in self, which is called unblending, when parts are stepping back and you're coming more into self energy. So for this meditation, just again, drop your awareness into your body. If it helps, you can close your eyes or just gaze at a spot in front of you and take a few deep breaths. And then just sense into your body or around your body what is present, what parts are present. Parts can show themselves as thoughts, feelings, emotions, sensations, impulses, sometimes visuals. Just sense in and around your body what you can notice. Maybe there's a tension in your gut or in your shoulder, or you can sense something above your shoulder, around your head, maybe some thoughts. These are all trailheads to parts. So just notice what is around. And notice what they are saying. Notice if they see each other, if they see you. One way I like to connect with them is I just say, "Hi, I'm here. I see you all." And see how they react. And you can just see if you can extend some curiosity towards them and ask them what they want you to know. If there's something that they want to share with you or show you. And when they talk to you, you can respond back to them as you would with a small child. You can thank them for sharing what they shared with you. If it's the first time that they connected with you. You can tell them who you are, how old you are. Maybe you sense intuitively what they need to hear from you, and you can tell them that. Now, if that feels somewhat complete, you can just sense back into your body if there's any more parts that want to say something. If the other parts still need a little bit more time, grant them their wish. You can stay longer with them. But if they trust, maybe you can ask them to create a little bit more space for you to see who else is here and who else wants you to notice them and connect with them. So if you sense that more parts are coming up, you can then again, from a place of curiosity, just tell them that you're here, you're listening, you're curious. What do they want to share with you? And again, you can come into a conversation with them like you would with a small child, extending your compassion and understanding towards them. Let them know who you are, how old you are, and see how they respond. When you feel that each part was able to say a little bit something, you're able to connect with them, in a way. If it feels ready for your system, and this is only up to you, maybe your system needs more trust to be able to do that, but you can try to ask the parts that came up to just relax and step back and give you a little bit more space. It also helps to ask them to create a little bit distance from you. And if they're willing to do that, sense how it feels to have more space, more spaciousness for self. Notice how it feels in your body, in your nervous system. And make note of that, because this is an indicator for you that you can check in daily to see if you're in self, or at least a little bit in self. Now, to wrap up this exercise, just connect one more last time with your parts. You can thank them for showing up. And if they were able to, you can thank them for creating just a bit more space for you. And if there were any parts that felt like they really needed your attention, you can also check in with them. And if it feels right for you, you can tell them that this won't be the last time you checked in with them. You can tell them that you will be coming back. And whenever that feels complete, again, thank your parts and slowly come back.